The average wait here at the Oklahoma County Jail for an inmate before they're transferred to a state facility for mental health treatment is 480 days. Now, one Oklahoma County judge has put her foot down and said that she will fine people if they have to wait any longer in this jail.
This is not the environment for somebody that has severe mental health needs. It's not a therapeutic environment.
In early January, KOCO reported dozens of inmates at the Oklahoma County Jail were waiting hundreds, even thousands of days before transport to the Oklahoma Forensic Center in Veneta, a center that helps those deemed incompetent to stand trial. In October, an inmate at the Oklahoma County Jail, Zachary Whitaker, was deemed incompetent to stand trial. 1 month later, Judge Susan Stallings ordered Whitaker be transported to a state facility for treatment. But as time passed, Whitaker stayed behind bars. Now Judge Stallings has declared the State Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse was in contempt of her order. She then ordered the state to pay $500 per day until the inmate was transferred. But Whitaker isn't alone in waiting. Oklahoma County confirmed to KOCO Friday 22 inmates sit behind bars waiting to be transferred. But will those inmates also seek fines against the state?
For those individuals sitting in county jails waiting to be transported to Veneta, their lawyer would need to file something with the judge and ask the judge to hold the Department of Mental Health in contempt if they do not move the client to Veneta as quickly as they should.
One legal expert says it's possible. The State Department of Mental Health told KOCO Friday they, quote, respectfully disagree with the court's finding, but are working to comply with the order and admit the inmate.
In the end, it does not matter that the Department of Corrections and the Department of Mental Health do not have the resources, or so they say, to move all of these individuals as quickly as they can. All that matters is there's a court order saying they have to take them, and they have to, or they can be held in contempt.
Now, that legal expert also told KOCO that although there are more inmates here at the Oklahoma County Jail waiting to be transferred that may also seek that same solution, he says it's not a long-term one, and there does need to be more funding and more beds available. Now, the State Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse told me today that they are exploring different programs that would help those inmates deemed incompetent at a local level. Reporting live, Elise Jones, KOCO 5 News.